Hi, it's Art again from Theater, and today we will unbox and set up a smart floor lamp from Meross. We received a package from Meross not too long ago. It's a light strip and a floor lamp. Shout out to Meross for sending these devices over for us to test them out. Like always, all thoughts are mine and they will be seeing this video for the first time like everybody else. And they are kind enough to provide us with a discount code for you guys. And if you're interested in picking one up, again, links are in the description. Now let's talk about the smart lamps feature. So it's a 3-in-1 smart lamp. It can be a floor lamp, a desk lamp, or it can be used as a clamp LED lamp. This smart lamp comes with a remote control, which we will talk about later, and all its other features. It is an energy efficient light since it uses LED and it offers better protection in your eyes. It can be accessed using this remote voice assistant with foldable lamp neck and a balanced base. It works with all three smart home platforms: Apple's HomeKit, Amazon A, and Google Assistant. So that's everything you see in the front. And at the back, we got technical specification, which are input is 10 volts, brightness level up to 650 lumens. The dimensions, it has a color temperature from 27K to 6000 kelvins. It only connects to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. And Meross offers 2-year warranty, but you can check their website or email them at support@meross.com. Now let's open the box. Here's the remote, and we got the lamp head. Let's put it aside for now, and we got the clamp. Here's the manual and a separate paperwork for HomeKit. Here's the power cable, and we got 2 pieces whole. And here's the base, which is heavy. And last is the remote holder. So that's pretty much what comes in the box. For installation, first you need to decide the configuration of this lamp in your home. Again, it can be used as a clamp LED lamp, a desk lamp, or a floor lamp. In my case, I'll use this as a floor lamp. If you choose different configuration, installation should be almost the same. Now first, let's lay the base and connect the first pole. Then attach the second one. Now let's screw in the lamp head. Make sure to align it properly to avoid the screw thread messing up like what I had. Quick tip, straighten the lamp head to angle it upwards to get the head in balance, and that will help you keeping the weight in check. Now all we got to do is plug this bad boy and we're all set. To set this up, once plugged in, download the Meross app if you don't have it yet. Create an account, then sign in. Once you're in, you will be greeted with this screen. Yours may be different than the one I have if you already have some Meross devices or if this is your first time. To stop the plus sign from the upper right corner, scroll down and look for Smart Floor Lamp. Then it will ask you what configuration or style you want the lamp to be used for. For the sake of this video, again, let's select Floor Lamp. All steps are almost the same. Only difference is the installation process, which we just talked about earlier. Once the lamp is plugged in, the lights should start flashing. If not, tap this option, light is not blinking. Then it will ask you to tap the power button for 5 seconds. Then it will ask you to connect to the device's Wi-Fi network. Just go to your Wi-Fi settings and select the smart lamp's network. After that, you just need to follow the on-screen instruction. To set up the lamp to your preferred assistant, let's start with Google Home. Tap the plus sign from the upper left corner, then select Device, then tap Works with Google. After that, search for Meross and enter your logins, and you're all good. You can now control the lamp's color and brightness with your Google Assistant. Now for Amazon A, head over to Alexa app, tap More, then Skills and Games, search Meross. Same thing, enter your account logins, and the lamp will show up on their device list. You can control the lamp now through Alexa. You get the idea. Last is through Apple's HomeKit. Tap the plus sign from the upper right corner, then add accessory, scan the HomeKit code. Again, that can be found from the manual or from the lamp itself, which is at the bottom. Then tap add. Now let me show you what are the settings in the app, and you will see all the features that the lamp offers. So from the home screen, if you tap the lamp's icon, it will turn on and turn off the lamp. But to access its settings, tap the little pencil in the right corner and the color wheel shows up. By the way, this isn't RGB light. It offers warm to cool white. So by adjusting the color wheel, it changes the color's temperature. And at the bottom is the brightness slider. If you tap the menu on the upper right hand corner to access the settings, where you can change the device's name, check the user manual, set time zone, change location, the HomeKit code, model number, firmware version, hardware version, and the MAC address. And at the bottom, if you want to remove the device from your Meross account. So what do I think? After using it for a couple of days, I'm impressed by how Meross approaches this thing. Then added all the smart functions that you would expect from a smart lamp, like voice control and the likes. But of course, keeping the basic for those home members that are not into voice control and stuff, like adding the remote, which is, by the way, so clean and easy to understand. No fancy buttons, just a straightforward approach which anyone can easily understand. And the buttons on the lamp neck as well, there's only 3, where you can dial the brightness and the color, and of course, turn it on or off. We will be creating a separate video after maybe 4 or 5 months of using it. Don't forget to subscribe for you not to miss that out. And we will be creating another video for the smart light strip, so take that notification bell as well. Again, thanks from Meross for sending this device over for us to test them out. Again, links are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, a like is greatly appreciated. Again, this is Art from Few Texts Later. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.